Welcome back to ACTV. Today we are going to be making a gender reveal sprinkle explosion cake. This is the first time I'm doing a cake like this. I've done a cupcake before that has a sprinkle surprise in the center, and when you cut it open or you take a bite, the sprinkles fall out. I haven't done it with a cake that I can recall, and I haven't done it gender reveal style for sure. So we're gonna do it together today. I really want it to be like a dramatic sprinkle fallout when we cut the cake. So I'm gonna put a lot of sprinkles in here, but I also don't wanna take away too much cake that there's no cake to eat. So a little balance, we'll see how it goes. So I'm just gonna start by trimming my layers. My initial thought was to fill the cake, core it after like you would core a donut, but then I thought that's probably not possible with 3 layers of cake. So I think right now I'm going to cut out the center. I guess you can't really do much in the way of fillings with these kind of cakes, so it's just gonna be vanilla buttercream with a red velvet cake. If you have any tips, please send them our way. I'm sure we'll be making more after this one. So in this scenario, the gender is going to be a girl. So I found sprinkles that match the color of the buttercream that I want to do in the outside of the cake. A little white for contrast, and because nonpareils are kind of loud when you shake them and when they fall out. These ones I think are great. I really think we're gonna need all the sprinkles to fill this cake, but we shall see. Sanding sugar, the thick kind, and some gold. Maybe I should have done some. Okay, so now thinking about that, I don't really want the soft buttercream to touch the sprinkles, so I think I'm gonna fill just the outside here, trying to stay away from the center. Chill the cake for a few minutes, that way the buttercream sets, and then fill it with the sprinkles. I think that's the best way to go. So, let's try to smooth it out a little bit. I think that's good. It's not totally touching the center, which I don't want it to. So we'll do that. Add the next layer. Okay, and the final layer. We'll just pop this in the freezer for maybe 5 minutes for the buttercream to chill, and then we'll fill it with all the sprinkles. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, we have our cake that's been chilling for a few minutes. We have a larger jar for sprinkles. So we're gonna need more sprinkles. So I'm just gonna add more now, and then we'll fill up our hole there. All right, let's fill it up. Well, actually I should probably leave it like that, I think, and then add a little bit of cake back into it. Okay, so now I'm going to ice the cake. So I want to take these 2 colors, the peachy pink and the avocado green, and do, I don't know, not really an ombre, but just add some color to the cake. So I'm going to start with green at the base, and then the peachy pink, and then the rest will be white. I think I'm okay if it gets blended here. I think that'll look nice. I guess I'm almost getting watermelon vibes. So we are going to leave the cake like this with some raw edges. I think I'll end up painting them gold after the cake chills. And we'll work on the topper until this is ready to come back out. All right, welcome back. Our cake has been chilling and it's ready to put the finishing touches on it. We'll add a touch of gold leaf and then we'll throw on our topper and cut it open to see if the sprinkles fall out. If you have made a sprinkle cake or you even did something really unique for a gender reveal, please show us your creations, tag us on Instagram at Abby Cakes Co. We'd love to see what you've done, get some ideas. So we recently did Christmas in July in our shop, and we did a Christmas sprinkle surprise cupcake. And so it got me thinking that we haven't really done a cake like that before. And we're getting lots of requests for gender reveal things. So I wanted to just do something fun and a little twist on the gender reveal, not using the buttercream or the cake. I kind of like the fun in this gender reveal cake. It's not perfect, it's not, I don't know, it doesn't have to be exact. It's just a really fun cake. So all the little imperfections kind of make it unique. I do want a little more gold, so I think I'm gonna throw on some sprinkles down here to tie the gold together. I'm gonna take some gold and white, that way I don't give any hints as to what the gender is. I'm really just gonna throw them on here. An unintentional gold drip. There we go. Now I have this little topper that I made. It says cupcake or stud muffin. I think we'll add it to the top here. Oh, I'm going into sprinkles, I can feel it. Okay, I think she's ready to be cut. I'm super nervous. I hope the sprinkles all fall out and it works out perfectly like I envisioned in my head, but we'll find out. So let's take off the topper first. And then I'm gonna come around and cut a slice. It's chilled, but it's close to room temp, I think. So I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but that's where we're at, so. Can you hear them? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so nervous, as if it were my gender reveal or something. All right. Yay! Oh my gosh, that's so cool, it worked. Yay! First explosion cake, if I can do it, not knowing what I'm doing here with this, you can totally do it. Please let us know your thoughts, if you liked it, if there's anything you think we could have done differently. And like I said, if you've done one before, please let us see your creations and tag us. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.